So, seeing as we're back in lockdown, there's no activities allowed apart from a few, and at the last minute the government changed their mind and said that you could go fishing so long as you weren't staying overnight and you was fishing on your own. So today it's a snowy day. I'm not expecting it to be brilliant, but I've got a choice between the local reservoir or the local river, which they're both sort of like half a mile walk from my house. So I've opted for the river. Okay, so I'm on the river Erewash. Today's Saturday. I was going to come Sunday, just let the water level drop down a little bit more, but I think after all this snow melts, if it does, the river's going to go back up. So I thought, window of opportunity, let's get in there and try it. Okay, so all I'm going to be using as bait is single maggot. Put a red one on, and that should do nicely. For what's in here, you don't need much more. Just had another bite and missed it while I've been farting about with the camera, so better concentrate a bit more. First one of the day. Little chub. Well, although it's snowy, the sun has decided to poke its head out. The snow's actually stopped now. It's quite a nice day. Enjoying it. Just the one so far. Weren't expecting it to be too good. The river's still quite a way up, water level wise. There's not really too many choice swims, it's all overgrown, and what you can get to is now nature reserve, so there won't be fish there. But I've had the one.